We are now looking at the first page of the census form, and if you look down to the left-hand corner, you will see question number 1. And in this question, you're going to write down how many people currently live in your home. For example, if it was 3 people, you would put down 3 on the right-hand box, but if it was a double-digit number like 10, you would put 1 on the left-hand box and then 0 on the right-hand box. Now, for question number 2, you are going to answer accordingly to your situation. And if you included everybody in question 1, what you would do for this question is mark an X on the box where it says no additional people. For question number 3, you are going to mark the box that nearly states your current household situation. For example, if you live in an apartment that is rented, you would mark the box that says rented. Moving on to question number 4, you will input your telephone number, starting with the area code for the first 3 boxes. A quick note, the Census Bureau will only contact you for official Census Bureau business. For question number 5, you are going to write down your full legal name. The Census Bureau recommends person number 1 be considered for the person who pays the bills of the house. If that person does not live in the household, make the oldest adult person number 1. For this question, you will write down your full legal name, including your middle name initial and or any special accents or characters. For example, let's say your name was Mary Jo R. Martinez, and there was a hyphen between Mary Jo and an accent on the I in Martinez. This is how you would write it down. So in the first 4 boxes of your first name, you would write Mary, and then in the 5th box, you would put in hyphen, and the 6th, 7th box would be Joe, as that is your first name. For your middle initial, you would put R in the first box. Then, for your last name, you would write down Martinez, but put an accent on the box with the letter I. Question number 6 asks you to identify your gender. Unfortunately, the Census Bureau only acknowledges 2 genders, male and female. If you identify with a gender not mentioned, we strongly encourage you to select a gender identity that you are most comfortable with by selecting either one of the 2 genders mentioned. Question number 7 asks you your age and your date of birth. For this answer, first write your age as of April 1st, 2020. For example, if your age was 44, you would use the middle box to put 4 and the box on the right to put the other 4. Then you're going to write your full birthday in month, date, and year. So if you were born on January 2nd, 1989, you would put 01 02 1989. Next is question number 8, and it asks you if you are of Hispanic, Latino, or Spanish origin. If you identify as Hispanic, Latino, or Spanish, select yes and the appropriate region. If your region is not given, write in the region in the boxes provided. If you are not of Hispanic, Latino, or Spanish origin, simply mark the box that says no. Question number 9 asks you for your race. We recommend that you select 1 or more boxes that make up your ethnic identity and race. For example, if you identify as Mexican and Filipino, you could select the box that says Filipino and select the box that says other race and write in Mexican. That concludes the questions for person number 1. Now person number 1 will count for every other person living in that household as person number 2, 3, 4, however many until all the people in the house are counted for. I hope this tutorial gave a little insight on how to fill out the 2020 census form. Thank you so much for watching.